Greetings guys, this is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life. I'm up on about and you know there's something go. It's daylight. Yeah man, they actually with big bro. Yeah man, run come get a cup of soup. Yeah man, Biggs and Brian. Yeah man, no energy go. Yard Life team up active. Yeah man, it's a blessed day. Come on yard man. Today I'm Mount Lebanus. Yeah man. St Thomas. Let me show you all around the place. Trust me, countryside beautiful now guys. You know me already. Always I get carried away by the scenery. That is it man. Then come look on the river. Beautiful. Yeah man, look at that. Tell them man, no place like yard. Ooh. Loving it. Yeah man, but I'll run back and left the soup there so. It's cool at least. Yeah man. Tell you the time hot like fire. But countryside somewhat cool. You know we're not getting the rain but oh my. Fly one thing.